welcome back to our channel WebToTech. If you have forgotten your Duolingo password and need to reset it, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting your Duolingo password. So let's get started. First, open Duolingo app. Here you have two options. Tap on the second option, which is I already have an account. Now look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen, which is right below the sign in button. Tap on it. To reset your password, Duolingo will need to verify your identity. Here you have to enter your email address, which is associated with Duolingo account. Make sure it's the same email you used when creating your account.
After that, tap on Send Email.
To verify the email address, Duolingo will send you the confirmation email. So to check that, open your Gmail. Tap on the mail from Duolingo. Here you can see the reset password button on the center of the screen. Tap on that. Now you have been directed to the Duolingo password reset page. Type in your new password. Type in the same password again to confirm. Then tap on reset password button, which is on the bottom of the screen. So there you go, you have successfully reset the password on Duolingo. So this is it for the video. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.